Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Again, gawa natin yung reaction video, ang latest vlog ni Kim Chiu, ang continuation of vlog niya about sa condo, should I say. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Ito na talaga siya. Grabe, pinagkakaguluhan din talaga si Kim, no? May taga-Cebu na siya. Ito lang sa condo niya.
Hello everybody! So welcome to Cebu City. Kakarating lang namin. Actually, time is 12:40 a.m.
Ay, taray.
Yes.
Ang late naman ng flight.
Wala na kaming time. So I'm gonna bring you Cebu house.
Gusto ko. Ito na.
Give you a quick bear tour of what's inside. So this is the hallway.
Wait,
This is the before, so abangan nyo yung after on my next vlog.
yan, naalala ko dito yung before. Ganda na, oh.
Sobrang tagal na nitong bago ko siya bumalik since the last vlog na meron ako. So, most requested niya to. And
Patingin.
ulit ng tour, I'm gonna show you. Ala! No, di ay reunion diri.
May reunion. Ay, wow. Is that Ate Lakam? Si Ate Lakam ba yung naka-black? Payat naman ni Ate Lakam.
Hi! It's a house party here in the USA. Akala mo nasa US
True.
ka.
I couldn't agree more.
Hi everybody at 1 a.m.
Love talaga si Kim ng mga friends niya. Look at that. Shagit ko na. It's in your shagit ko na. Malalaman mo talaga na love siya ng mga friends niya. Look at that.
And say thanks to Janet and Sisi Cam.
Ang payat ni Ate Cam.
Welcome to Cebu.
Bakit ang payat ni Ate Cam? Ano yan? Lechon.
Hello! So we are here sa living room.
Okay. Hindi ganun.
So amazing, so spacious. I so love the sofa.
Very aesthetic.
And all.
Very aesthetic, right? Dinala na kaya ni Kim dyan si Pao.
The sofa is from
Ang bisita. Uy, may ano sila ngayon? May, what do you call this?
Thank you talaga so
May ganap sila ngayon.
much, Janet B and the rest
Red sila.
for making this a very homey place.
A very home place. I love that.
Kulang pa siya ng mga TV, kaya send nyo lang. Ito nga pala yung address.
Send nyo lang.
Ganda daw to dito sa umaga. So, sana makabalik pa ako dito ng morning. Kailan? Ayan o, may tree. Siguro aesthetic yan pag sunrise
Aesthetic.
or sunset. Kaso madaling
Yung condo niya, very aesthetic. Ang ganda.
Pero parang nawawala
Sweldo naman ang katabi ng unit.
puyat.
Si Kim Chiu yung kapitbahay niya.
Kasi parang it feels
Right?
amazing. So cool. So nice. It feels, tas ito, tignan mo from here.
Sobrang cute na talaga.
Yes,
Energy.
the welcoming
Energy.
committee. Cebu chapter. Yay!
Patingin ako ng welcome committee. Ganda ng interior. Feeling ko ganda ng interior, very aesthetic. H&M. Ganda oh. Thank you, Marino Lighting. Laki ng condo niya. So pretty.
Parang tayo nasa US.
Ulit-ulit talaga siya. Ulit-ulit talaga siya ng US. Ganun talaga siguro yung vibe. US vibe.
This is from H&M. Thank
You-
you so much, H&M Home Cebu. Cebu rin.
Cebu.
Taga Cebu.
Gulat na siguro. Ganyan na yung ayos ng condo niya. Ang ganda.
Baso. Grabe, amazing.
So, Sino? Design. Interior design. Interior design niya pala.
Ang ganda din itong
Ganda.
chandelier. Parang mga mangkok.
Ang ganda no? Sana may paninig yung kay Paolo. No?
Thank you so much, H&M, for making our home homey. May lampa. Ganda. Nakakaganda yung gold features kasi parang it adds elegance and all. Thank you so much, Home Cartel, for our mirror. Actually, maganda ang circle na mirror kasi infinity. So amazing. Is it? Yeah.
Ang arte-arte niya talaga.
Mga friends.
Super.
Yeah.
Super arte niya talaga.
Welcome.
Cute. Cute talaga ni Kiwi ever. I love Kiwi talaga. Uy, March 26 My love will make you disappear.
So amazing.
Hindi para lang yan sa mga casual viewers natin. Pero kung Kim Pao, alam na natin yan. Diyos. October to February to March. But I love it. As long as matuloy. Diba? Ganun ang goal.
Cheers to that.
Ganun ang goal for today's video. At dahil dyan, mag-bring house
So
tayo.
amazing. I'm just super happy. As in super.
Kitang-kita kasi ulit-ulit siya sa US eh. Ulit-ulit. Ayan. Yung comparison. Is that the master's bedroom?
Oh wow!
Ayan. Mm.
My
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh! Rich granted.
Parang ang sarap lang, no? Feeling ko ang sarap sa feeling ni Ate Cam. Ala Cam. Na ganyan yung reaction ng kapatid mo. Yung na-appreciate talaga niya.
Double bed. Sabi ko talaga kay Janet, I want. Kasi I love double bed. So
Double deck.
nice. The beddings are so soft.
Ganda.
Double bed yan, mataas ang headroom.
So nice. Hala, may ganito pa ako dito sa Cebu.
Meron ka na yan.
Hindi ako babalik sa Maynila.
No. Paano siya pa?
Ang ganda
Siya-
dito.
Siya na lahat.
Very aesthetic ang pagkatapon niya.
Ito na ako pala yung babayaran ko.
Ganda yung lahat. Imported lahat ng mga furniture. Ayaw niya bumili ng mura.
Nakakaiyak. Ang ganda.
Diba? Look at the light.
Ay, dati wala akong bahay sa Cebu. Tira lang ako.
Dati wala akong bahay sa Cebu. Yung sinasabi ko parang very thankful. Ganda ha?
Ito the master's bedroom.
Honey!
Ay, hindi pala yung master's bedroom. Yan pala. Honey daw. Yan si Pao. Honey daw, honey.
Double bed, isa dito.
Honey. Parang bed nila sa Waswagi Secretary Kim
This
ah.
is the master's bedroom. Dati, nung unang kong vlog, wala pang interior design. As in, plain lang talaga siya na condo. Tapos ngayon, oh my gosh, this is so amazing. At 1 a.m., ito yung nakikita mo, you're so tired. Pagod na pagod pa, but at the end of the day, hala! Ayoko na talaga. Of course, sobrang napaganda yung lugar, yung house and all. Thanks to Sir Gino of H&M.
H&M.
Ito pa yung CR eh.
Very aesthetic ang dating. Ang laki ng condo niya. Grabe. Ilang square meters na? I forgot na kasi kung ilang square meters. Yeah, indeed. Sabi ko nga. Ulit-ulit kong sinabi kanina yung Kim. Ganda. Ganda. First doon ako sa honey. Doon ako doon. Honey. Ganda. Matilak kang.
Alam mo yung, hindi naman sa'yo, pero
Grabe to.
inaangking mo akin.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, may CRS pa here. This is so amazing.
So amazing. Wala silang Christmas vlog, no?
Dito kami ng asawa.
Parang nagpapahiwatig na si Kim. Parang may pahiwatig na Kim, ah.
Ito yung maid's
Ano pa nagpapahiwatig na siya?
here. Maid's room here.
Hala ka.
Yung kanyang CR.
Hindi ako makamove on kanina, honey. Tapos ngayon, asawa. Hala.
Yeah. Tapos cooking.
I think hindi pa yung house and lot, ha? Condo lang yan, ha?
Yung bahay ng may pad sa New York. Yung ang dami mong friends mag-housewarming.
Mm-hmm. Hala siya. So, Kim. Ganda. Ganda.
Hi! So this is our staple midnight snack. Snack na kay Puso.
Puso.
Hindi nakakaalam, ang puso is rice.
Sarap yun sa lechon.
May sushi kami.
Ang sarap yun sa lechon.
Barbecue.
Ang sarap.
Best partner ever.
True.
Ito ang tinatawag na ngoyong.
Ngoyong? Ngoyong? Ano ngoyong? Made of ano sa vegetable?
So this is the Moyo
Ah.
Puso barbecue og chorizo. So I always eat this before during
Wow.
days. Ito lang talaga yung lunch ko. 2 ngoyong and 2 puso and isang barbecue. So 16 pesos.
Luminating the past pala. Effective. Papahiwatig talaga si Kim dito. No?
For a early
Biglaang vlog.
so time check. 3.
Proud na proud. Gusto ko si Ate Lakam. Totoo. Akala ko talaga matatay si Ate Lakam. Tapos nga. Sinulog. Sinulog pa pala. Diyos ko, akala ko naman. Sinulog pa. Buti na, hindi ko pinatay agad.
Good morning. So now, hindi ko sure
Hindi ko sure.
ano siya ang live namin. Kung kami ba ang maglalagay ng barikada.
Bakit maaga siya?
So let's go! I miss my motherland.
Hmm.
Mother tongue, I miss my mother.
Alo, pinaka-opening nung pinaka-bonggang
Ate Lakam,
At dili
sleeping.
sa Cebu City na gitawag og Viva Pet Senior na ang nag-open remarks ay ang ato ang nag-iisang Chinita Princess Kim Jong!
Meaning, mabait talaga siya kasi mahal naman siya ng tao. I mean, sa Cebu na mismo yan, ha? Mahal na mahal talaga siya. Hapon, 7 o'clock, tapos hapon na. Hindi totoo. Oo ba? Wapa ka prepare? Wapa ka kata. As in. Topper. Sarap ng pinggan. Na. Ay, hello. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ano yan? Ano chika niya dito? Ito pala yun. Hala! Hala! Julius. Really? Ang ano niya talaga mag... Ay, hindi naman mapahaba ang vlog ni Kim for today's video. Ay,
Kasalanan ko pa kung hindi nila matapos yung sayaw. Ayan, so parang nag-sudden
Ano?
break sa
Bakit?
float kasi morning duty kami. Yes,
Ay, morning duty.
So parang huminto ng medyo matagal. More than 20 minutes na kami dun sa aquarium. Pinapasok mo na ako dito sa land.
Morning
While
duty.
waiting, we have of course the Julies.
Morning Judy. Ang sarap.
Parang mamon na chocolate flavor.
Ay, ang sarap.
Din kami dito Julies and Saimara.
Ay,
And Julie's Mamon. Cheesy Mamon.
cheesy mamon.
And parang mas gusto ko mag-chocolate. Alam mo yon yung parang gusto mo ng
Bakit?
energy. Kasi mainit. Sobrang saya. Super saya talaga ng flow.
Mm.
Ang saya ng feeling. Para ko silang mga kaibigan lahat. Para ko silang mga kamag-anak lahat. Bekim, kung sama ka. Grabe naman makasigaw. Alam mo naman kaklase ko nung araw. Pero gano'n talaga yung mga Bisaya. Pag nakakita ng mga Bisaya.
Totoo. Kahit Ilonggo, ganun talaga mga Bisaya.
Klase at share kayo sa isang mamon. Pero nakakatuwa. So amazing. So yan lang, break muna. So kain-kain muna kami.
I love it.
Oh yummy, so fluffy. So soft.
So soft.
Looking back at where I started, I
Ay,
can't
ito,
help
ito.
but feel overwhelmed with gratitude.
Oh.
There was a time in my life when we had no home of our own. We just lived with our Lola's house and relying on her kindness. But there were days when the kindness wore thin. I'll never forget the time that we almost got kicked out, the night spent in darkness because our electricity had been cut off. Those were the moments that tested my strength, my faith, and my will to keep
Oh
going.
my God.
Those struggles
Jack
shaped
Kim,
me.
kaya blessed na blessed
They gave me
kay.
the fire to fight for a better life, not just for myself but also for my family. Life has a way of throwing us into the deep end, and it's up to us to find a way to swim. It's not always easy. Life isn't all about happy surprises. Sometimes it's about heartbreak, setbacks, and endless challenges. But I've learned that the hardest moments are the ones that prepare us for the greatest victories.
True.
Just think of life like a heartbeat. It
Tapos
rises
na ba
and
to?
falls, but that's what it
Ay,
means to be
nagtuthrowback
alive.
siya.
As long as there are ups and downs, it means I'm still here,
True.
still fighting and still breathing. And I will never let
I love you, Kim. You deserve nothing
No matter how
but
hard
the
it
best
gets,
in life.
no matter
Alam mo
how
yan.
many times I fall,
God bless you
I will
always.
keep going. Why?
Aja,
Because I
yeah.
have dreams. Dreams for myself and dreams for my family. And I want to see them come true one by one.
Mm. Yeah. Paka-emotional naman ng ano to? Vlog na to.
Today, as I look around and see how far I've come, my heart feels full. It's not just about what I've achieved. It's about the journey, the lessons, and the strength I've gained along the way. I'm so thankful for every tear I cried, every sleepless nights, and every challenge that pushed me beyond my limits.
Ganun talaga.
And I'm here now, standing tall with no regrets, just gratitude. Gratitude for the pain, for the struggles, and for the hope that kept me going. Life is a gift, and I'm determined to make every single moment count. If you're hearing this, remember, no matter how dark it gets, just keep going. Your dreams are waiting for you on the other side of your perseverance. And special thank you to Julie's fam for bringing me for Sinulog 2025. And of course to Janet Lee, my interior designer in Cebu, who is my ate's best friend. Thank you so much. Very nice interior in my Cebu home. And also to the welcoming committee ng Cebu, my
Welcoming
aunties,
committee.
friends, and also my friends. Thank you so much for welcoming me and for the energy at 1 a.m.
Wow.
And to all the people in Cebu, salamat gid kaayo sa pag-welcome o kanang pagsalubong sa ako for that wonderful energy. Thank you so much. And to you, thank you for watching my vlog. Amazing. It is. Really, it is. Click like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below.
Nagpahiwatig talaga dun si Kim Chiu ba? Nagpahiwatig talaga siya.